Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka umsingam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sansnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Lom So Po Shillong. One bantiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas bat bidor.
Ulat ke jela usatya pal malik unsalit sa Delhi hadin ke khatnyo terik unok pra arjar arpo ban yekendo ya menteri ketenat ki kampo ying jongkeri u Amit Shah bat yikiwei de ki menteri jong ke sarkar India ban yekren halor ke jingdawa jong ki pajba ke jela Meghalaya ban ajing menjurno na kebenta ban pentrekam ya ke inline permit ha ke jela Meghalaya. Yakane la pentip da menteri rangba jong ke sarkar jela u Konrad Kongkel Sangma habakren cikilat pathai kubor hadin ka jing yakendo ya ulat jong ke jela ha ka janmit jong ke khandai terik unok pra arjar arpo ban yakren ne kebenta ban ajing menjurno ya ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Bill arjar arpo bat kumjuru ban yathir yatai halor ka jingbut din ya ka jingdawa inline permit hadin baka yeng dorbar thau ain jong ke jela ha uno pra arjar khat khandai kala menjur ya ke resolution ban pentrekam ya ke inline permit ha ke jela Meghalaya.
He will be taking up the matter also at his level along with the Home Ministry, and he has also asked me also to parallelly also follow up with this matter, and he has again expressed that the concerns of the people of the state are important to him also, and that he will do his best from his side to discuss this matter with the MHA and try to move this forward. So we've discussed this in detail, and the Honorable Governor will be going post 17th of December to Delhi, and he'll be meeting the Honorable Home Minister and other leaders to discuss this matter. So we hope that we'll be able to find a positive way forward in this. He has seen the entire file and he's seen the entire bill, and he feels that it is something that is doable and possible, and but at the same time he feels that this matter still needs to be discussed with the centre, because there were certain concerns earlier, and because of that this bill did not go through at that point in time. So therefore it will only be appropriate to discuss it with centre, with MHA specifically, and that's what he will be doing. So I think it's a very positive message that he has given to me, and he said that he will definitely do his best to discuss with them and try to move this forward.